This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, somehow the banks or the feds are reporting that the reverse repo almost doubled to $180 billion. Okay? We know they were under $100 billion just 2 days ago, but now all of a sudden they have reached $180 billion. They have doubled the amount of money available in a reverse repo in the last 2 days. Do I believe this to be true? No, I do not, because I personally do not trust any data that's released by the government or these bad actors that I believe are naked shorting a majority of stocks in our stock market. But here's the thing. Is it possible that they scraped together an additional 90 million to get the reverse repo to 180 billion? They possibly did. They possibly did. And the reason I believe they did it is because they're trying to make it look like they're not hanging on by their fingernails. They're trying to make it look like the liquidity isn't drying up. So they put out this 180 billion reverse repo to make us think that these guys have hope. And this is just my opinion. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. But do I believe that this 80 billion, not 80 billion, 180 billion isn't fugazi? There's a possibility. They just put this number out there because they can. What I've learned over the last 4 years is the numbers mean absolutely nothing because nobody holds them accountable. If they put out false numbers, is anybody going to hold anybody accountable? No. Nobody's going to hold them accountable. So they know that we pay attention to the reverse repo now. So are they capable of manipulating the reverse repo? Of course they are. They're capable of manipulating anything because they don't want us to know how dire the situation is with the banks. And if the situation with the banks are dire, the situations with the entities naked shorting AMC, GME, and a whole lot of other stocks is dire also. So, first of all, I don't believe it's 180 billion. Could it be? Yes. But if it really is 180 billion, these guys went digging in the sofa cushions, okay? They went digging in the sofa cushions to add money to the reverse repo to make it look like the liquidity is coming back. I personally do not believe the liquidity coming back. I believe this is just another form of manipulation, okay? I believe their liquidity is running out, and I believe when it runs out, it's going to get real ugly in the market. They did not expect a little tiny movie theater company to have this type of control over the market. They expected us to buy high and sell low. They didn't expect us to buy high and buy low and keep on buying. And that's why, that's one of the reasons why they're in the situation they're in now. But the main reason they're in this situation is because the SEC refused to do their job and rein in the bad actors. Had the SEC reined in the bad actors and fined them appropriately over the last 4 years, a lot of the malfeasance, the fraud, and corruption would not have continued. They would have nipped it in the bud after that buy button fiasco. But they didn't. They allowed the situation to get more out of control. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the reverse repo really doubled to 180 billion? Or do you think they're just fudging the numbers? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.